Good morning, families. I want to take a minute and just kind of let you into my thinking as far as this new trimester. Third trimester, today's lesson is try 3, try me. So I was thinking that I'm giving students the end goal. And I'm saying, I believe in you, you've got this, you can have an A in the class. But then I started thinking about the roadmap or the directions on how to get there. And so some students aren't able to see the steps that they need to take in order to be successful. And so this past weekend, I decided to come into the classroom and just try to look at the structure and the planning. And so I am going to be introducing something I am going to call the Fab Five. Students will get a sheet of paper with 5 different jobs that will be graded throughout the week. Now, all of the assignments will be due on Friday. We will have time in class to work on them. Students will also be able to work on these things outside of class if they want and or need to. The idea behind these assignments are that I want to be able to set up and give students directions and then allow them to work either individually or work with a group of small people. We're going to be doing a lot more paper pencil work in the classroom. I need to see more reading and writing in here that is away from the Chromebook. And so I saw some research this past weekend about the process of writing things down and how it improves comprehension. As far as what the different topics we are going to be working on, first of all, one job is going to be for them to expand one of their 5 senses into a mindful moment. So we're going to take a look at either their sense of hearing or smell or taste or touch or sound, and they are going to savor that sense and expand it. The expectation is 10 sentences that will be written in their notebook. So that will be in an in-class assignment. Second, there will be a graded discussion that will be in Schoology. I do have a planning sheet, I have a rubric, and all of these assignments are going to be graded based on effort. A third one is going to be with the basis for the DNA. And so last week we talked about how A and T go together and C and G go together. So there's a fun little sheet that students can work on, working with some DNA. Another thing that they will be working on is mutations. Here is the quiz that they will actually take. So we're going to talk about what a deletion looks like, an insertion looks like, and a substitution. So they have to be able to say what the differences are and what they mean. And having an example of each will be an even better, I think, a better thing. And then finally, we are going to be working on photosynthesis. We're going to introduce photosynthesis this week. This is a comic strip that they will be able to color. There's different notes in here. They'll also have the ability to create their own comic if they want to. Now, bottom line, they will track their progress throughout the week. Today, they'll put a goal for the grade for the week, and then on Friday, they're going to take a look. Okay, this is what I have done. So then they'll be able to see, before they leave this school on Friday, what their full grade is for the week. Now, we're not done there, because then this paper needs to go home and needs to be signed by somebody at home. Now, if we are concerned with getting this paper from here to home, then we will find a trusted adult that your scholar can show this to. And when there is an adult signature on this and it's handed in, that's when I will put the grade actually in Skyward. Please let me know what questions show up for you for that. We are also working on our energy bus, which is a read aloud that we started. Oh, it's been a minute. And today we're going to get some new brain workstations. So be listening for more information on that. Hopefully, classes first hour, second hour, third and fourth hour this past Friday, we did an experiment where we took a look at getting rid of or negating our sense of sight and our sense of sound. So check with your student to see how that went. Have a great day, and thank you for all of your support at home.